to CME. I am Dr. Nancy Cruz, owner and founder of Custom Manufacturing and Engineering. We are located in Pinellas Park, Florida, and we are happy to welcome you on a virtual tour of our company.
At Custom Manufacturing and Engineering's building here in Pinellas Park, Florida, we produce power distribution products, control panels, cable assemblies, and wire harnesses. CME also makes special test equipment and other electrical and electrical-mechanical assemblies, including circuit card assemblies or CCAs. We serve various customers from the aerospace and defense, heavy equipment, industrial electronics, power and energy and transportation industries. CME is also certified as a women-owned small business and as a women's business enterprise. At CME, we take pride in our skilled workforce that delivers engineering, lean manufacturing, product development, integration, and test services all under one roof. Custom Manufacturing and Engineering has earned many awards, including being a 2018 Florida Companies to Watch honoree and a finalist for the Sterling Manufacturing Business Excellence Award. Dr. Nancy Cruz, the founder, was recognized as a Businesswoman of the Year in 2019. We have many types of engineers on our team, including electrical, mechanical, and aeronautical. Engineers work on projects ranging from printed circuit board design to full system integration. This is our custom box build department. Here we've manufactured over 20,000 tactical power supplies for our customers with a low return rate. Once a box build moves past final assembly, it goes through an assembly burn-in process. During this process, we use custom automated test equipment. The custom test equipment is manufactured right here at CME. Automatic pneumatic tools and ergonomic stands are both used to help our operators as they're working throughout the day. Our cable assembly and wire harness production area is where we manufacture products from simple interconnects, jumper cables, and pigtail systems to very complex wire harnesses that in some instances have over 1,000 connections. We have also built highly specialized submersible sensor cables for oil and gas, along with water utility applications. We have augmented our line with an automatic cable spooler and wire cutter. We get requests to run cables that are as long as a quarter mile. In addition to government and business entities, we also serve direct consumers. We have developed 3 commercial brand lines: Solar for STEM, Solar for Power, and Sight Lights. Our commercial product offerings range from educational training equipment to job site lighting solutions. The educational equipment we produce allows educators to demonstrate how solar energy works through hands-on STEM experiments. The job site lighting products can be used in applications from camping to auto repair to construction. Much of the world is moving towards 3D printing, which is also known as additive manufacturing. We have recently invested in 3D industrial class printers to provide our customers with fast and lower cost prototypes to shorten their product time to market. We test product functionality with cost-effective plastic and resin tooling to save our clients money when it comes to product development costs. Our Surface Mount Technology Department, or SMT area, allows us to manufacture circuit card assemblies for prototype to rate production. We can help customers with board design and layout using our team of experienced engineers. Once we have a final design, the file is uploaded to our SMT line. From stencil printer to a pick-and-place machine to a reflow oven, all of our equipment prevents delays and speeds up product development and manufacturing. At the end of our SMT line, we've integrated Industry 4.0 robotics with a cobot as part of the automation initiative. CCAs from the end of the reflow oven are robotically picked up and placed onto a rack by the cobot, freeing up our operators and improving efficiency. We also perform through-hole placement and a functional test program for the CCAs before moving on to box build integration areas in the plant. The qualification chambers perform thermal profiling and screening. We thermally exercise products from very cold and very hot temperature extremes to validate that they will succeed through the development phase and the customer's end-use environment. Having an anechoic chamber is very rare in most manufacturing facilities. This chamber allows us to test for EMI and EMC in a controlled area that blocks any outside electromagnetic interference. Here, products can be pre-screened for functionality during the development phase before launching the manufacturing process.
I started at CME as an intern 2 years ago, and they really worked with me and allowed me to stay on part-time as I finished up my degree, and then I started full-time as a mechanical engineer at the beginning of this year.
I've been here at CME for 19 years and 10 months. I'll have my 20th anniversary in July. And it doesn't seem like I've been here for 20 years. It seems like yesterday.